Welcome. If you want to get live fluid wallpaper on your Ulefone Note 7P, at the first you have to go for the Play Store, move to the search pool and type live fluid wallpaper. We can take this from the quick list also, and we are going to download this application from Mad Scientist. Let's install. Click open. And as you can see here, we get the preview of this wallpaper, but of course we can easily change it by clicking here. So tap on this right corner, move to set as a live wallpaper, and click on the settings icon. And I will show you my favorite theme. This one, it goes automatically, we don't have even to touch the screen. And it's also very important that we have to change the animation settings on the smartphones with, you know, not the best quality of the processor on the graphic card. So let's change the height to the medium, and we can also change the shadow quality to low. And right now we can simply go back and click here to set wallpaper. We can apply on the both lock screen and the home screen. And right now when we go back, we can see on our screen and this live wallpaper. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.